It's a quick one today. You got a light that's turning backwards. Most of these have a switch of some kind. Some of them it's under the glass. This one's right here. And now it'll turn the right way. Sometimes for a winter setting, you can set it this way and it'll help save some money on heat. But this one was going the wrong way. At least for my setting, it's still warm, even in December, approaching January. There it is.
So when we want to use it to get cooler, we want the air blowing down. When we want it to get warmer, we want the air blowing up.
Comet. I like that ceiling fan.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.